How to download raw data from AirDNA. So for example, you have opened up your sub-market overview or your market overview and you don't want to download the raw data from these, charts or graphs we have right here. So all you need to do is come click on this export button. That'll be on the top right of that respective chart or graph. So if I click on export right here, it should start downloading this data immediately. So as you can see right here, it has downloaded. And if I open this up in Excel, we'll be able to see the last 12 months, month by month breakdown. As you can see here, month by month for each bedroom. Let me close this. And if you want, you can change this to the last 3 years and download it that way. Okay. Export that data and it'll start downloading it automatically. Let me open this up and show you. And here you go. Data for the last 3 years. Really that easy and simple.